In the unforgiving wilderness, every decision and every skill can mean the difference between life and death. Among the most important skills is the ability to start a fire using things that nature provides. A well-stocked tinderbox, it gives you confidence. But out here, there's a rule that trumps everything. Murphy's Law. Your gear gets soaked, your pack is lost, and all those fancy fire-starting aids are gone. The rain has soaked everything. It's getting dark. It's getting cold. In a situation like this, a simple flame is the line between life and death. But nature provides a hidden failsafe, a tinder that's completely water-resistant, packed with flammable resin that you can find even in the wettest conditions. This is Fatwood. And knowing how to find it isn't just a skill, it's a lifesaver. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find, harvest, and use nature's perfect fire starter. Let's get into it. Fatwood, a naturally occurring product of pine trees, offers a robust, reliable, and readily procurable solution to the problem of finding rainproof tinder. The efficacy of Fatwood as a tinder stems from its unique chemical and physical characteristics. High resin content. The defining feature of Fatwood is its exceptionally high concentration of flammable resins. These resins act as a potent accelerant, burning at a much higher temperature and for a longer duration than untreated wood. Hydrophobic nature. The resinous nature of Fatwood makes it inherently hydrophobic, meaning it repels water. While the wood fibers themselves may absorb some surface moisture, the thick impregnation of resin creates a protective barrier, allowing the tinder to retain its ignitability even when exposed to rain or submerged. Low ignition temperature. Compared to dry wood, the abundant resins in Fatwood lowers its ignition temperature, making it easier to ignite with a ferrocerium rod, lighter, or a match. Sustained burn time. The slow, steady burn of Fatwood provides ample time for a skilled survivalist to transfer the flame to larger, less easily ignitable fuel sources. This extended burn time is crucial when dealing with damp kindling. Ease of processing. Fatwood can be readily processed into fine shavings or feather sticks using a knife, which further increases its surface area and ignitability. The resinous nature also helps these shavings hold their shape and resist moisture. Identifying Fatwood. Fatwood is typically recognizable by its distinct characteristics. Color often has a reddish-brown or amber hue, though lighter shades can also be resinous. Weight feels noticeably heavier than normal pine wood due to the resin saturation. Smell possesses a strong, sweet, pine-like aroma, intensified by the resin. Texture can be sticky to the touch due to the resin. Burn test. If in doubt, a small piece can be tested for its ability to ignite and burn readily. Fatwood is not a rare commodity. It's a natural byproduct of pine trees and is often found in easily accessible locations. The key to obtaining it lies in knowing where to look. Aside from the commonly recommended dead pine stumps and roots, the quickest and easiest way to get Fatwood is to saw or break off branches about the thickness of your thumb close to the trunk. The process of extracting Fatwood typically involves using a knife to shave off pieces, or to create feather sticks directly from the source. This minimal effort, especially compared to searching for and drying conventional tinder, makes it an ideal survival technique. The application of Fatwood in a survival fire-starting scenario is straightforward. Option 1. Create a feather stick by making numerous shallow cuts into a piece of Fatwood, leaving the shavings attached to the core. Use a lighter or a match to ignite the feather stick. The stick itself acts as a fuel source to keep it going. Once the Fatwood ignites and produces a sustained flame, carefully introduce small, dry, or as dry as possible, twigs and progressively larger fuel to build the fire. The resinous flame of the Fatwood will often readily ignite damp kindling. Option 2 is perfect for those scenarios where only a spark-producing tool is available, such as a ferro rod or an empty Bic lighter. Shave off fine, fluffy curls from the fatwood to create a tinder nest. Use an existing saw on your pocket knife to add sawdust. This increases the tinder surface area and guarantees instant ignition. Now use your spark-producing source to strike sparks directly onto the tinder nest. Once the fatwood tinder nest ignites and produces a sustained flame, you can light a fatwood feather stick with it and reliably ignite your campfire. This is essential knowledge. It's practical. It's something you can learn and take with you. And finally, if you're in the mood for an adventure, this is one of the most satisfying little tests for your gear. With just a single fatwood stick, you can heat enough water for a cup of coffee. Hit that subscribe button now and share this video with everyone you care about. Let's spread the word and empower each other with the skills to survive.